How to use aloe vera for weight loss. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use aloe vera for weight loss. Aloe vera is not only known for its soothing properties, but it can also aid in weight management. So, let's get started. Step 1. Drinking aloe vera water. Host. One of the easiest ways to incorporate aloe vera into your weight loss routine is by drinking aloe vera water. Start by preparing aloe vera gel as we showed in our previous video. Mix the gel with water, and you can add a squeeze of lemon or a drop of honey for flavor. Drink this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning or throughout the day to boost your metabolism and aid digestion. Step 2. Aloe vera smoothies. Another great way to enjoy the benefits of aloe vera for weight loss is by adding it to your smoothies. Simply blend together your favorite fruits, aloe vera gel, and a liquid of your choice. This will not only provide you with essential nutrients but also help you stay fuller for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking. Step 3. Aloe vera detox drink. To further support your weight loss goals, you can try making an aloe vera detox drink. In a blender, combine aloe vera gel, cucumber, mint leaves, lemon juice, and water. Blend until smooth and strain the mixture. Drink this detoxifying beverage daily to cleanse your body and promote weight loss. Step 4. Aloe vera supplements. If you find it difficult to incorporate aloe vera into your diet, you can also consider taking aloe vera supplements. These are available in various forms, such as capsules or powders. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before starting any new supplements. Step 5. Healthy lifestyle practices. While aloe vera can support weight loss, it's important to remember that it works best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Make sure to maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Additionally, engage in regular physical activity to maximize the benefits of aloe vera. On how to make aloe vera water at home. We're going to show you how to make refreshing and healthy aloe vera water right in the comfort of your own home. Aloe vera water is not only delicious but also offers numerous health benefits, including potential weight loss. So, let's get started. Step 1. Harvesting aloe vera gel. The first step is to harvest fresh aloe vera gel. Start by selecting a mature aloe vera plant. Cut off a leaf close to the base using a clean knife. Make sure to choose leaves that are thick and plump. Step 2. Preparing the gel. Once you have a leaf, place it upright for a few minutes to let any yellow sap drain out. This sap can cause irritation, so it's important to remove it before using the gel. Afterward, wash the leaf thoroughly to remove any dirt and debris. Step 3. Extracting the gel. After washing, carefully slice off the spiky edges of the leaf with a sharp knife. Then, make a long vertical incision along one side of the leaf. Using a spoon, gently scrape out the gel and collect it in a bowl. Repeat this process with the remaining leaves. Step 4. Blending and straining. Host. Now, transfer the aloe vera gel to a blender. Add some water, about 1–2 cups, depending on your desired consistency. Blend the mixture until it becomes smooth and well combined. To remove any remaining pulp or fibers, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Step 5. Serving and storing. Your homemade aloe vera water is ready to enjoy. Pour it into a glass and consider adding a squeeze of lemon or a drop of honey for extra flavor. Remember to refrigerate any leftover aloe vera water in an airtight container for up to 3–4 days. Aloe vera has various benefits for the body and skin. Here are a few of them. 1. Soothing and healing properties. Aloe vera gel can be applied topically to soothe and heal minor burns, sunburns, cuts, and wounds. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation and promote healing. 2. Moisturizing the skin. Aloe vera gel can act as a natural moisturizer, keeping the skin hydrated and preventing dryness. It is suitable for all skin types and can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 3. Treating acne. Aloe vera has antibacterial properties that can help reduce acne-causing bacteria on the skin. It can also help reduce inflammation and redness associated with acne, making it a useful ingredient in skincare routines. 4. Relieving skin irritation. Aloe vera can be used to alleviate various skin irritations, such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Its cooling properties can provide relief from itching and inflammation. 5. Promoting hair health. Aloe vera can benefit the hair and scalp by moisturizing and nourishing them. It can help reduce dandruff, soothe an itchy scalp, and promote healthy hair growth. Remember that individual experiences may vary, and it's always a good idea to do a patch test before using aloe vera or any new product on a larger area. If you have any specific concerns or conditions, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or dermatologist. And that's how you make aloe vera water at home. Incorporating aloe vera water into your daily routine can aid in hydration and potentially support weight loss efforts. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips. Thanks for watching.